Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you're looking for a replacement lid for your CamelBak Simple Modern or Hydro Flask water bottles, then I do recommend you this one from Powix. The unboxing experience here is pretty simple. You have a box, inside that you have your replacement lid for your water bottle, and you have a straw. Now, the straw here is not the best quality, and in case you want me to measure the length of the straw, we can do that as well. And the length of the straw is around 8.25 inches, I think, because it's not at 8.5. Now, as for the replacement lid, this here is awesome, great quality, BPA free material, and this is a 2-in-1 lid. So you attach your straw over here, and then if you lift up this thing over here, you can sip water using the straw which you have attached. Of course, you do have this pressure release air hole wherein when you're sucking water out of your water bottle, then this lets air in so more water can come out. And if you do not want to use the sip action, then you open this lid and now you can tilt your water bottle to drink water using this replacement lid on your CamelBak Simple Modern or the Hydro Flask. Of course, this thing over here, this you can use to hold your water bottle, and it can go around 180 degrees. The material here is great and it is not flimsy in any way. And of course, you do have this rubber seal along the inside of the replacement lid as well to make sure that there are no leaks. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, what is the diameter of this lid? Well, this lid is at 2.26 inches. So make sure you do measure the diameter of your water bottle before you buy this replacement lid for your CamelBak Simple Modern or Hydro Flask water bottles.